Hey everybody, John Hayes, Randy Richardson, coming to you from the AHP Manufacturing Technology Show 2024. We're getting a little laugh there because I'm in charge of the technology, and that usually does not always go well. But Randy and I are here. We're talking Big Showa. I didn't say Big Kaiser that time. That was pretty good. Big Showa. It's hard. It's a long history of the name Kaiser in there. But Big Showa is officially it. We are here to stay. And what do you got? What can you tell us about it?
So Big Showa is really known for their high-end tool holders, higher AT tolerance on their shanks than most, and obviously their run-out characteristics are what they're really known for. Everybody guarantees, 1/10 run-out at the nose of a tool holder. Kaiser's guarantee is 1/10 at 4 times D. So we're a lot more accurate, up to 5 times more accurate than the average holder. What most people think of when they think of Kaiser is boring heads, like you see here. There's two that I want to talk about real quick. One is the digital boring head that's out from Kaiser. It's got the DRO on here, but more importantly, this is a Bluetooth boring head. And if you have the Kaiser app on your phone, for older gentlemen like me, when you go to adjust, it's kind of hard to see that small number where you can reach into a machine with an Allen wrench, start turning the dial and watch the numbers change on your phone. Much easier for me to see that way. The other nice thing about that is it stores up automatically the last 100 adjustments.
No way.
So if you have a problem on a part, you can go back and make sure that it was adjusted correctly. Did he adjust it 1 thou or 10 thou or 1/10? All that is recorded on the head itself. So that's kind of a neat thing I want to talk about. And the other thing is our most popular boring head, 112, 118 style boring head. We call it our small diameter boring system. The capability of the head is from 16 thousandths of an inch up to 6 inches. Very large range. Most popular boring head. We have a kit out there now, special price promo kit, $1,740, and it allows to get this boring head and all the bars and components you need to bore from 701 thou to 2-inch 126 in diameter. Very large range. $1,740. That's less than the price of buying the head by itself.
You need the head by itself. Do yourself a favor. Get yourself a kit.
Buy the kit, you get some extra components. Absolutely.
Yep.
So those are the two big things that I wanted to point out today.
No, love it. Love having you here. These guys have got just all kinds of solutions. They used to call them profit makers for the customers. You got spindle speeders, just all kinds of things that you've got that you guys got tricks up your sleeve for.
Yeah.
So
we've got collet chucks, we have hydraulic chucks, we have milling chucks, all high-end, very accurate compared to our competition. But we also have spindle speeders, we have coolant inducers, we have angle heads, universal angle heads where you can adjust from 0 to 90 or fixed at 90 and at 30. Then obviously all the boring system. The boring range from Kaiser starts out at 16 thousandths in diameter and peaks out at, I think it's 150-inch diameter. Never sold 150-inch diameter boring system.
Would like to.
I would. The biggest I've done is 76 inches.
That's a pretty
That's
serious
a really
boring
big boring bar.
But I know people will ask though when you're talking to them about something, whatever. What would you buy if it was your machine? I will tell you what we would buy because you can come over and see some kind of a weird thing going on here with the screen. So sorry about that. I don't know what just happened there, but something happened. It was weird. Like I said, you put me in charge of the technology. But I would say people will ask, hey, what would you buy if it was your machine? Well, you can come over and see what our machine has on it. Our machine has big plus holders on it. Our machine has got, this is what we use to chamfer our parts, top and bottom. Those are the very things that we would use on our machine. And they don't just give them to us. We buy them. They're great tools. I mean, they're great tools. They work. It solves problems. So
Absolutely.
Yep. Randy, thanks so much for being here, man.
John.
Appreciate it. Appreciate having you.